Words of ending the meeting in there. A number of developments. Number one, the Prime Minister has written to us and has informed us that the reshuffle will not happen. So Honorable Aseri Radrodro will continue to be the Minister for Education, and Honorable Vasu will continue to serve in the iTaukei Heritage and Arts Ministry. Additionally, the appointments to the 3 missions promised to SODELPA under the coalition has been confirmed and confirmed also by the management board today. So those are 2 main issues that dominated our discussion, and we're very grateful that we have come to this. There are a number of issues that we'll be highlighting as a result of this meeting to help the coalition get stronger and for the government to continue to be strong and provide the leadership that is required in this country. For London, let me just preface this with this, that it'll be still subject to from the host country. The names will be submitted to them, and they will confirm that these names are okay with them. That's part of the protocol. Right? For London, it's going to be Tsovelisi Suenakama. He's going to be Fiji's new High Commissioner to London, subject to the approval from the British government. For Washington, it'll be Roy Lisoni Windeketi, again subject to the approval from the American government. And the roving ambassador will be Mr. Tongani.
Roving ambassador Pacific?
The Pacific is William Tongani. That's William Tongani. And that is that also go through the process. Yeah. So we were quite happy that it has come to this. We understand the process had to take its course, but the management board and the SODELPA party is happy that we've managed to confirm this and see that part of the coalition come into fruition.